Hello my friends, welcome back. For today's video we're going to be showing you guys this DR12 blaster, little gel blaster. Let's go ahead and unbox and unpackage it. A little strange, it's got some tape on there. Alright, it comes with some directions, some gel blaster bullets inside here, battery charger, USB. Here is the battery. We got our little housing unit for your gel blaster bullets. You place them right inside here. Pretty nice looking. And you got some safety goggles added. All right, we go ahead and open up the bottom here, and this is where you put your battery. Well, right away, I must admit, this is totally awesome. Take a look. You got single shot. Move this over. You got an automatic. Woo! Woo! You got a safety. Slide it back for single shot. Pop the safety up. Wow. I am impressed. Let's go ahead and test this out.